Alright, in this video we are going to post-process the NC code to mill the clock face. So we have all of these operations in Fusion 360, but we need to get the NC code to load on the computer that runs the CNC mill. So here on Setup Back, that's the first one we want, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click Post Process. Now up here under Post, you want to choose from Library, and you can search for Tormach and use Tormach Path Pilot and select that. The name, you can put in a number or letters, whichever you want. There's an old standard of using 1000 series number, but I'm going to put clock face back. And I had difficulty getting this to actually post the output if I did not select Post to Fusion Team. So go ahead and select that check mark and click Post. And it does several things. It puts the program here, and it brings up this dialog that I'm not interested in, loading the clock face there. It brings up a website that I'm not interested in, showing that it's uploading the document to the internet. I'm going to close this dialog. Now if I right click on this NC program and I say open NC output folder, it takes me here to the output folder, and I can right click on the clock face back, open with, I'm on a Mac so it's text edit, and here is the actual NC code. All of this is set up, and then we have the first drilling, the second drilling, the adaptive clearing, and so on. And this is the code that will run on the computer of the CNC machine. So we have that one done. You can go ahead and do the same thing for setup front. I'm going to select this setup, right click on it, and select Post Process. I've got that checked. We're using Path Pilot. I'm going to call this clock face front and Post. And it does the various things that I'm not interested in. But if I right click on this NC program and go to Open NC Output Folder, here's the website that I'm not interested in. Let's go back here. Open NC Output Folder, and see here I've got clock face front, and I can open that with a text editor also. And here's the NC code for milling the front. And that is the process for posting.